Good morning, Swiggy developers, builders, leadership, and fellow innovators. Let me start with a quick question. Why do millions of users open Swiggy every single day? Actually, they don't open Swiggy because they want to scroll through a list of 500 restaurants. They don't open Swiggy because they love comparing 180 rupees biryani versus 220 rupees biryani for 20 minutes. They open Swiggy because of a life situation. I have 150 rupees in my bank account and exam starts in 2 hours. Or else, my 5-year-old kid is throwing a tantrum and won't eat anything green. I just finished a heavy leg day at the gym and need 45 grams of protein immediately. I am hosting a birthday party for 6 people tonight and I haven't ordered the cake, the food, or booked a table. See, today, traditional food delivery treats user like a database query builders. You search, you filter, you scroll, you add to cart. So presenting Swiggy LifeOS changes everything. We are moving Swiggy from search-based ordering to life intent orchestration. With LifeOS, you tell us life situation, and our multi-agent engine orchestrates Swiggy Food, Instamart, and Dineout into a single unified one-click life plan. Let me show you 6 core life modules in one action. First module, Student Survival Mode. In India, college students represent Swiggy most frequent but most budget-sensitive cohort. Every rupee counts. Watch this. A student I have entered 147 left today and I have to survive until tomorrow morning. Instead of giving an error or forcing them to scroll through unaffordable dishes, our max calorie per rupee engine kicks in via Swiggy Food and Instamart MCP servers. Boom! It instantly constructs 147 survival bundle. Set of 3 dosa with including sambar from Srinagar 65 rupees, Parle-G family pack from Instamart 25 rupees, hot masala chai with 25 rupees. So the total cost is 115 rupees, total calorie with 850 kilocalories, total saving with 32 rupees. No calculation needed. One tap paid via UPI or COD delivered in 15 minutes. That is the budget of survival solved. In module 2, Kid Mood Menu. Every parent in India knows the nightmare of 7 p.m. dinner tantrums. Kids don't think in terms of cousins or nutrient ratios. Kids think in emotions. Our kid mood menu uses visual emotion like a cards, a parent, a picky eater, a refusing guest. Life OS, automatic orchestra, hidden veggie cheese burst pizza from Pizza Hut Kids. 379 rupees. Molten chocolate lava cake 129 rupees. Instamart crayons and activity pack delivered in 10 minutes with 85 rupees. The parent gets peace of mind. The kid gets a fun experience and Swiggy captures across category basket size across the food and Instamart in a single order. In module 3, taste discovery. Here is the staggering metric. 68% of Swiggy users reorder the exact same 3 dishes from the 2 restaurants every week. And taste discovery solves the habit lock in 15% intent algorithm. When a user says I'm bored of ordering the same biryani every Friday, LifeOS doesn't throw the random food at them. It computes the 15% variation based on their order history. It suggests the Hyderabad chicken dum biryani with authentic mirchi ka salan and Instamart royal pan or a soft drink. We break the food boredom while driving the high margin discovery for Swiggy partner restaurants. In the module 4, NutriGoal engine. So, in the health and fitness is a multi-billion-dollar market, but fitness tracking and food delivery have always been disconnected. What happens when a user types, "I just finished the heavy workout, need a 45 grams protein under 500 rupees." Swiggy LifeOS connects to the Swiggy Food and Instamart MCP servers simultaneously, puts the grilled chicken protein bowl from the Fit Bites, and Instamart MCP adds blueberry Greek yogurt for instant post-workout recovery. Total protein 54 grams, total calories 490 kilocalories. The user hits the macro goals without needing a separate fitness or app or calculator. In the module for mood companion. So the food is not just a fuel. Food is emotional and medicine. When someone is stressed, heartbroken, or having a bad day, They want complex menus. They want comfort. A user types feeling super stressed and exhausted for a 12-hour shift. Mood companion responds with a empathy and orchestrates a care package. Hot matcha soup from healing bowls and adult tea and Instamart lavender scented and candles. It turns the Swiggy into a companion that understands the human emotion, creating unmatched brand loyalty. In coming to the last module, Celebration OS, which is the final module. Celebration OS is the ultimate Swiggy MCP showcase. Group events and celebrations are usually chaotic. You order the food on an app, buy a cake from bakery, and call a restaurant for a table booking. Celebration OS, all the three Swiggy services in a single one-click plan. Hosting a birthday dinner for 6 people tonight at 8 p.m. In one single turn, Swiggy LifeOS executes Swiggy Food MCP orders barbecue nation royal feast, or like an Instamart MCP dispatches a Belgian chocolate cake with candles with soft drink in 12 minutes, and Dineout MCP reserves a table for 6 at ITC Grand Chola for 8 p.m. Three services, one intent. So this shows the Swiggy Life is built with auth and PKC security protocol authenticates dynamically against Swiggy authorization server and dynamically passes with the prompt constraints, budgets, and dietary rules. And from the official Swiggy MCP server, we execute rules across category sets, restaurant sets, products, and get available slots. Whether a user wants 300 rupees for a pancake or 8,000 to feed a stray dogs. LifeOS dynamically passes the budget items and MCP tools to generate an explainable 100% transparent plan. So to conclude, Swiggy built best delivery network in India. Now Swiggy Life OS builds the intent layer top of the network. We are already ready to move. What do you want to eat? How can Swiggy help your life today? Our code base is 100% production is tested and fully documented, integrated with auth and live right now at the Swiggy Intent OS version .app. Thank you.